Previously, we have learned how to create Google Alerts. It is time now to learn how to use Google Alerts for your SEO campaign. Google Alerts itself isn't a traffic source. It is more like an indirect free traffic source. You can capitalize Google Alerts for SEO purpose in many ways. In this video, you will learn how to find blogs for commenting. If you are not using comments to grow your blog, then you are making a mistake. Leaving comments on relevant blogs isn't an option but a necessity. However, don't leave spammy comments. You should know that leading businesses usually gain footing through comments. You must also know that a large number of your customers or website visitors possibly read other blogs daily. By leaving valuable comments on those relevant blogs, you can also attract the same traffic to your website. So let's use Google Alerts to find blogs where you can leave your comments. For this, you need to create an alert for the keyword you are targeting. In this case, I will use weight loss exercises. Now select the type blogs. This is very important. When we select this setting, we expect more details and specific articles on the topic. Click Create Alert here. Check out your email after some time and you will receive all the new blog posts in which your keywords would have been mentioned. Visit each article, read it thoroughly, and then create a piece of content which adds value to the article. Post it as comment with a link back to your website. It's really simple and effortless, so you can just loosen up and watch for backlink prospects to be sent to your Gmail address. The best part of this method is that you need not to spend hours looking for blogs related to your niche. Secondly, the links that you will create through this method will be of top quality because you will be amongst the first few persons to comment on the article. Additionally, the article would have already been indexed and the content will be fresh. It is not like you are going to comment on a dead article written a couple of months or even years ago, but commenting on a piece of content which is written few hours ago or maybe a few minutes ago. Google Alerts provide you the alert which is just indexed, therefore it will be a fresh article. That's all there is to this lesson. In the next video, we will learn some more features of Google Alerts.